Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will continue working in our starters books. So go get your books ready and open to page 70. Page 70 is a revision unit. So we're going to review. You need some colored pencils. In the first exercise, you need to read and color the monster. So here we have the instructions, and you need to read. For example, the face is blue, and you color the face blue. In exercise 2, how many things can you find in the picture? How many things can you find? For example, I see a pencil. So I write pencil. So there's my word pencil. What else can you see? There are many things. Let's see who finds the most. Now put pause and complete this page. When you finish, start the video again and let's look on page 71. Page 71 is a listening exercise. Grace is at school with her mother. She's talking about the children. Listen and draw lines. So you need to connect the name of the child with the activity. For example, Anna is playing basketball. Now we're going to do the listening together. I will also send the file separately so you can listen on your own.
Listening 40. Grace is at school with her mother. She's talking about the children. Listen and draw lines.
Now, who are all these children in the playground, Grace?
Well, can you see that girl there?
Which girl?
She's bouncing a ball. Look, there.
I can see a girl, but she's catching a ball.
No, not her. Look, she's wearing a hat.
Oh, yes. Who's she?
That's my friend, Anna.
Anna?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the line? This is an example.
Look, Mum. There's a boy there who's playing a game.
Oh, yes. He's playing baseball.
No, he's playing basketball, Mum. His name's Mark.
Mark?
Yes.
And which boy is Dan?
Oh, he's there.
Does he like playing football?
Yes, he can play football very well. But today he's playing tennis. Can you see him?
Yes. So that's Dan.
Yes, that's right.
There are a lot of children in the school hall, Grace.
Yes. Can you see that girl there?
Is she playing the piano?
No, Mum. She's listening to music. There.
Oh, yes. I can see her. What's her name?
That's May.
May? That's a nice name.
Yes.
And is this your classroom, Grace?
Yes, Mum.
And that girl there, what's her name?
Which girl?
Well, she's asking the teacher a question.
You mean the girl with the long hair?
Yes.
Oh, that's Sue.
Sue?
Yes.
Very well, boys and girls. So, I will send the audio separately so you can listen again. Okay? Listen as many times as you need. Potete ascoltare il file le volte che avete bisogno. Quindi se non lo avete capito nella prima volta o nella seconda, non è importante. Basta fare un bel respiro e ci concentriamo con serenità. E tutto arriva. E non avere paura di provare. Now, when you finish this page, let's look at the next page. Page 72. Here we have some writing exercises. Look and read, write yes or no. So look at the picture and read. And if it's true, we say yes, and if it's false, we say no. So a boy is riding a bike and having fun. There he is. Yes. There are 3 ducks in the water. 1, 2. No. Okay, so complete the exercise. Notice all the tenses are in the present continuous because we are describing a picture. Quando descriviamo un'immagine, quello che sta succedendo nel momento, si usa il present continuous. Exercise 5. Write the words. Quindi qui abbiamo delle immagini e qui abbiamo i vocaboli. Semplice, semplice. Possiamo riscrivere le parole in basso per ogni esercizio, per ogni numero. Okay, boys and girls. This is our classwork for today. Adesso quello che vi faccio vedere però sono le risposte del lavoro di ieri, ossia le altre pagine della unità 10, so the unit 10. So go back to the beginning of unit 10. So this is the first page of unit 10, page 64. Do you remember these 2 exercises? Now, let's see your answers. And here are some of my answers. Here are the vocabulary. Number 1, bed. Number 2, radio. Number 3, school. Number 4, lessons. Number 5, breakfast. Number 6, football. Number 7, book. Number 8, television. Number 9, dinner. And number 10, park. Now for exercise 2, these are just some examples because it depends what you wrote. Non c'è una risposta giusta. Ci sono varie risposte. For example, in the morning I have breakfast. In the afternoon I don't listen to the radio. In the evening I don't play in the park. At night I go to bed. Okay. On page 65 you had the reading, so to practice the reading and to write about your day. Let me show you what I wrote. And here are my answers. Again, this is just as an example. In the morning, I have breakfast with my family. In the afternoon, I prepare my lessons for the next day. In the evening, I read a story to my children. I don't watch television. At night, I go to bed at about 11 o'clock. Now let's look at page 65. Page 66. Sorry about that. Page 66. So page 66 had two different listening exercises. Now let's see what the answers are. All right, boys and girls, and here are the answers to the listening. So that you have to put the pictures in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you had to tick or cross. So put pause in the video and check your work. When you finish, let's look on page 67. Page 67 was fun, like a puzzle. What are these stories about? Well, in the book, each book. Write the first letter of each word in the picture and find the answers. So let's see what your answers are for these 6 stories. Remember, the way we get the letters are by looking at the first letter of these words. F for foot, O for orange, O for onion, D for desk. Now let's see what the answers are. Here we go, boys and girls, and here are your answers. So the second book was about sport, the third book about toys, the fourth book about school, the fifth book about horses, and the sixth book about clothes. All right, boys and girls, remember, have a wonderful evening, and see you later, alligator. Bye-bye, butterfly.